Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to calibrate your ROG Harpe Same Lab Edition. To calibrate it, go to Calibration. Then you can either choose a preset surface, just like that, and select any of those, or select Manual Calibration and click on Start. Then move your mouse, like shown on the picture, in the area of 10 centimeters. Don't do it too fast and keep moving until the process is finished. And now your mouse is calibrated, and I'm gonna change the DPI real quick. And now it's all done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.